Hi, this is Rachel with Fiona Sandwich Patterns, and in this video I want to show you how I treat these tiny little pieces. I really love details and patterns, but it can be really difficult knowing what to do for these little itty bitty pieces. So this has already been stitched. Oh, no, it hasn't. Okay, so the first step is I glue down my template piece, just that little itty bitty strip, and pretend like these are not stitched on either side. And I take a little bit of tape. This is longer than what you need, but it'll give you a good illustration. And I tape it down. So instead of gluing it, it's going to be taped. Then I stitch as normal, just a whip stitch right along the seam. Then I take the tape off and I fold this piece back, and the template is still in there, and I put glue along this whole edge and I glue it down. So now this piece is totally glued and it's nice and tight. I didn't want to have any give, so that's why I didn't use tape for this one, because sometimes the tape can kind of not pull quite as tight. So the glue will hold that really nice and tight. Then I stitch along this edge. Then to put this piece in, I opened this up and I removed the template, and then I just folded this over like this, and there you can see my stitches. So I just used a flat back stitch for all of this around here, and pulled up just a couple pieces there, and I do like to lift all of these corners. I prefer to stitch underneath right here. I don't like stitching up here, this part on the top I don't care to stitch on, so I lift up all my corners and I stitch down here. So then the next stitch, there's just a little thread that's in the way. The next stitch was right here, and then I just continued on my way. So I hope that's helpful for piecing these little itty bitty pieces. It really is a game changer to be able to use the tape and the glue method to really keep your pieces nice and secure. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.